Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2011 Toyota Corolla. Stock number is A7569. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around the back end. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes your CD player. Climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Corolla on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.